guys said something that I love you, Katrina. Could you just say it louder, please? You know, I have to say, my previous generation kept saying that, you know, oh, dude, to watch Madhuri dance was something. Madhuri dance was something. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm from the generation where we got Katrina Kaif. Listen, I've seen so many of your songs. How do you always get it this right?
Oh, no, this is good afternoon, right? It's not good morning.
Good afternoon right
ladies
now.
and gentlemen. Thank you so much for coming here today. I'm super excited about the song. This is a kind of just a super, super fun song, working after a long time. This is our song. It's the introduction of my character in the film. It's Babita Kumari's introduction in the film Zero. And it's just really about having fun. And it's just about celebrating being a woman. It's about celebrating beauty. It's about celebrating yourself and just having a really good time.
Okay, so I know I've heard so many people who have worked with you that you dance and rehearse for hours and hours. The song looks great in the 3 minutes that we saw. How much of effort went behind rehearsing for the song?
You know, actually for this song, because of a few constraints, we didn't put as many hours, but you know, Anand sir said one thing and Bosco said one thing to me when we started. This song, just have fun. This song, just dance for yourself. And I think that's what I really enjoyed after a long time, is just having a super good time. Not making everything too technical, not getting too caught up on a step this way or that way. Just going out there and really, really having a good time. Put that rose down, Bosco, or give it to me.
फिल्में देखी हैं उसमें म्यूजिक बहुत कमाल का रहा है बट दिस इन इटसेल्फ इज अ डिपार्चर फ्रॉम द काइंड ऑफ सॉन्ग्स जो आपकी फिल्मों में देखने को मिला है सही बात है
बिल्कुल सही बात है और ये तब होता है जब आपकी फिल्म में कटरीना कैफ होती है यू नो
एक सेकंड जरा जोर से बोलिए सर हम
इनको
सुनाई
जहाँ
नहीं दे
अपना
रहे
आवाज अपना नाम सुनाई देता है वहां पे ये बोलते हैं जोर से बोलिए सो मैंने ये बोला कि जिस फिल्म में कटरीना कैफ हो अगर उसमें ये एनर्जी नहीं होगी तो कहाँ होगी और दूसरी चीज मुझे ऐसी फीलिंग आई है यहाँ बैठ के एज इफ ये मेरा ना सिजलिंग डेब्यू हुआ है यहाँ पे इससे पहले कुछ सिजलिंग नहीं था ये था सिजलिंग सो हाँ ये मेरे लिए नया है यार और बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग है मैं ये बोल सकता हूँ कि विद कटरीना देयर ये वाली फीलिंग दैट जो फिल्म में भी हम कहने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं कि लेट्स सेलिब्रेट लाइफ तो वो कटरीना कैफ आपको बार-बार बताती हैं कि लेट्स सेलिब्रेट लाइफ कभी अपनी मूव्स के साथ कभी अपनी बातों के साथ
Right, but इस गाने के पीछे और भी बहुत लोग हैं सर आई थिंक nobody better than you to introduce these wonderful people who are sitting here
बिल्कुल मैं पूरी टीम को बुलाना चाहूँगा इस फिल्म के म्यूजिक डायरेक्टर अजय अतुल प्लीज आइए ऑन स्टेज
appreciate what Dipankar had created for the song. I think मेरे हिसाब से ये सबसे बड़ा set
हाँ,
that was ever built for a
ये
song.
डिजाइन जो था, प्रोडक्शन डिजाइन जो था, वो दीपांकर का था और बहुत खूबसूरती से किया उन्होंने. थैंक यू दीपांकर.
And now, should we have a small moment of appreciation also for Bosco for just putting up with me?
बॉस्को से सिर्फ एक ही चीज मांगी जा सकती है, यहाँ पे स्टेप करके दिखा. सबसे करवाता तू भी कर.
साथ में ना?
साथ में करेंगे.
आप ही करेंगे
नहीं,
ना
नहीं,
साथ
नहीं,
में सर?
Anand sir, I was going to just say that. Sir बैठ चुके हैं.
वो वाला कौन सा वाला? Hip वाला? Hip
Like,
वाला?
yeah. Anand sir, please, मैं माइक पकड़ लेता हूँ. Sir, एक तो बनता है ना.
नहीं, ये हमारा director है. We have to get on, be on
Alright.
his good side. We have to be on his good side.
Gentlemen, if you could take your seats.
पब्लिकली नहीं नाचूंगा.
Katrina?
I think if we have any questions.
Yes, of course.
कभी भी जब भी आपका कोई भी डांस गाना आता है, हम हमेशा देखते हैं आप एक्स्ट्रा एफर्ट डालती हैं और हमें बहुत पसंद भी आता है. इस बार आपने कितनी सारी चीज़ें नई की हैं और कितना एफर्ट रहा एंड क्या अलग करने की कोशिश की है?
I think for me, the biggest difference in this song that we tried to do, Anand sir, he came on set on one of the days and he said, I want to see that when my audience see this woman come on screen, I want them to feel they're seeing the happiest woman in the world. She's a person without a care in the world and is just having a super good time. And I think that is always something which is good to remember. Sometimes we get very caught up in doing things everything technically correct the step, but sometimes we forget the joy that one feels when they dance. So for me, after I think it was a really nice, refreshing change to feel very, very just happy and not at all taking any tension about the dance, but performing for yourself.
कटरीना, एक सवाल और है कि जो इश्कबाजी गाना है उसमें सलमान और शाहरुख आपके लिए लड़ाई कर रहे हैं, तो ये कैसा फील आया आपको जब दो खान आपके लिए आपस में लड़ रहे हैं?
You're talking about the song in the movie, no? Well, actually, that song comes at such an important point in the film. जहाँ पे वो सलमान आते हैं film में, it's very, very important, and it's actually the most perfect situation. Like when that situation comes, nobody else could have done that except him. And I think it was very gracious of Salman to do the song, of course, for Anand sir. Everyone's very, very fond of Anand sir, so he gets away with a lot of things. But I think it's a beautiful song, and every time I see that song, it brings a smile to my face. When I first saw the song, I phoned Anand sir, and I said, you feel really happy when you see that song.
Hi,
There's a question
Katrina.
coming from
on your
yes.
left.
On the left.
Hi, Nilima here. Hello.
Hello.
What are the differences between Babita Kumari and Katrina, and what are the similarities between Babita and Katrina?
No, slam
You
the
know,
question.
I really, really, really want, since we have the luxury, abhi stage pe mere saath Anand sir, I really would like him, sir, please. I would like to hear his opinion on that.
See, that was the reason I casted Katrina for this, because one of them I knew, the other one she had to create, So कई बार ये लगता है कि she is playing an actress, so ये same हो जाएगा. But yeah, Katrina is really different from the character she is playing here. But she understands one bit of it. So this was very important for me to have somebody who understands one, then only she can make it look different in the other set. So yeah, that's and there is a major difference. Trust me, there is a major difference.
Katrina?
I think one major difference which I can point out is that Babita Kumari is the kind of girl who will go and say whatever she wants, and me, I think I'm quite polite and diplomatic. I'll avoid confrontation, and Babita is the kind of girl who will go and look for confrontation. I think that's one big difference I noticed.
Katrina?
If you could raise your
Hi,
hand. Where?
Katrina, towards your right, left.
Left. Here.
Yeah.
There.
First of all, amazing song. Hi, this is Ankita from Republic, and you look really beautiful in those curls. Just want to ask you that you have experimented with your look in the song. Who suggested the curls and all?
Sorry, can you just repeat the last two lines?
The look of the song. Who
about the
suggested
look of the
Curls,
song.
your hair.
So actually, we were doing a shoot for Vogue with Anita Shroff. Anita is wonderful, one of the leading stylists that we have. She's the lady who's responsible for creating all the stylish looks for the Dhoom series. So we've worked together in Dhoom 3, of course. We did, some really nice stuff together. And she's also responsible for creating the looks in this song. We just wanted it to be very fun. We wanted it to be different. And we were doing a shoot for Vogue, and we had styled the hair like this, and I actually just said, let's use this look in the song, and it was coming up. So then we went ahead with that. And yeah, I think Anita is the kind of person she can make the whole song look different. You don't feel that you've seen this before, and I really enjoy working with her. I think we do really nice stuff together.
Hi, on your right, particular song, and in fact, like हमने सुना था कि ये song के लिए आपने काफी liberty दी थी बॉस्को as well as कैटरीना को.
जी मैं
आपने इस गाने के लिए काफी freedom दिया था बॉस्को as well as कैटरीना को. This is a what enjoyable song in.
Sir, कितनी छूट दी थी आपने?
हाँ, नहीं मेरे पास और कोई चारा ही नहीं था. मैं बताऊं क्योंकि इतना सिजलिंग सॉन्ग मैंने भी कभी नहीं किया, तो मेरे को बॉस को लगना ही था इसके लिए और कटरीना लगना. तो ये फ्रीडम मैंने अपने लिए नहीं, मेरे पास और कोई चारा नहीं. इनफैक्ट इनसे मैं इसमें सीखा हूँ बहुत कुछ जो आने वाली फिल्मों में अप्लाई करूंगा मैं.
Hello,
Just one second, ma'am. Just a follow-up for Bosco. Bosco, everybody's been raving about the song already. I could not hear the song because there's so much whistling going on. Does it make life really easy when you have somebody like Katrina Kaif doing all these moves? You can just sit back and say, okay, you know what? I know this girl has got it right.
I think with Katrina, everything is perfect. And to correct perfection is so difficult, yeah. So you just let it go and say, enjoy and have fun with it.
Bosco, my question to you, this side.
Kis taraf? Yes, ma'am.
My question to you is that she's outdone Chikni Chameli and the other one, what is it?
Sheila Ki
Ki
Jawani.
Jawani. She looks awesome and sexy.
That's so
How did you, the moves are really great. So what do you have to say about it?
I think what do you
How
have to say about it?
how sorted you were beforehand?
I think with Katrina we worked for like so many songs, so I have understood the body language and I know what she's comfortable. We didn't want to give a lot of steps, but we just wanted to give the right steps where she'll enjoy it and she'll kind of just enjoy doing it naturally instead of trying to do 100 steps. So we just said, have fun, just do these 4 steps and enjoy it. So I think that's what is getting translated. And styling, I've gone into Anand sir's world. He's really given us the opportunity to explore, and मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि we've explored enough.
1 second, ladies and gentlemen, wait. शाहरुख सर ने तो अपने ट्विटर अकाउंट पे बता दिया है कि गाने का मतलब क्या है. He said it's the announcement of beauty. इरशाद भाई, अब आप अपने लफ्जों में हम जरा समझाएं. हुस्न परचम, मतलब ये परचम वर्ड जो है, it's one of the lesser used words, if I'd like to call it, when it comes to lyrics in Hindi songs. तो इसका मतलब जरा समझाएं.
वेलकम.
हुस्न परचम एक्चुअली जब भी मैं भले कोई आइटम सॉन्ग हो या पर्टिकुलरली फीमेल रिलेटेड सॉन्ग हो, मैंने हमेशा गर्ल्स को स्ट्रेंथ देने की कोशिश की है अपने गानों में. हमेशा उनको एक रुतबा देने की कोशिश की है ना. अभी तक क्या होता है जनरली के गानों में हुस्न को बड़ा नाजुक, बड़ा ऐसा ही ओके डेलिकेट, बट ओके फाइन वो डेलिकेट है, पर उसमें दम भी है यार. उसमें दमखम है, उसका अपना एक रुतबा है, अपना एक मकाम है, अपना एक एटीट्यूड है. वो सारा एटीट्यूड, वो सारा दमखम, वो सारा रुतबा मैंने हुस्न परचम में कि हुस्न ब्यूटी इज लाइक ए फ्लैग मैन, ये रेवोल्यूशन ला सकती है जैसे फ्लैग रेवोल्यूशन ला सकता है.
सॉरी मैम, आपने गाने का जिक्र किया था ना, तो मैं बता दूं कि वो गाना भी आई थिंक अजय अतुल को ही क्रेडिट जाएगा, even though it was in a different film, but Chikni Chameli belongs to Ajay Atul, and now Ajay Atul have composed yet another chart buster. आप लोगों के लिए like does it become easy कि there is Katrina Kaif who's going to be dancing in the song, So let's just amp up the song completely. चिकनी चमेली हो गया, अब ये हो गया.
जी दरअसल ये गाना जब बन रहा था, जैसे आनंद सर ने कहा, हमने भी इस जोन का गाना कभी ट्राई नहीं किया था, तो हम लोग भी ये गाने में बहुत सीखे हैं. और दूसरी बात, जहाँ तक कतरीना है, तो ये बहुत बड़ी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी थी. इतना चिकनी चमेली इतना बड़ा हिट हुआ था, तो उसके बाद
सर वो 1.5 घंटे में हिट हो गया था.
जी, तो उसके बाद वैसा ही कुछ लाना वो हमारे लिए बहुत बड़ी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी थी. तो हम लोगों ने बस हमने ब्लाइंडली फॉलो किया है. हमने शाह सर को फॉलो किया है, जो इनपुट थे वैसे बनाने की कोशिश की है, और मुझे लगता है वो कामयाब हो रहा है. और जैसे वो स्क्रीन पे कतरीना इज लुकिंग, इट्स रियली सिजलिंग, वेरी सिजलिंग.
Hi Katrina, on your right, Suhail here.
There, Katrina, on your right.
The song is excellent. You're looking very sizzling, hot, sexy. Do you agree? Yeah.
आपने क्या पूछा?
You're looking very
No,
sizzling.
he wants you to acknowledge the fact that you're
I
hot,
thought-
sizzling and sexy.
I thought he said, do you agree?
Do you agree?
Yeah. We all enjoyed the song. My question is, you have been very lucky. In fact, like in the film, Shah Rukh is very eager to kiss you. Actually, you know, how there's a song like where he's kissing you. He gets a kiss from, he kisses you. How much did you enjoy that? Because normally on screen, Shah Rukh doesn't kiss his heroines actually.
Wow.
Sir, I think I need a minute to appreciate this question
And this was the
first.
second time I think.
It's like a
saying,
googly. I told you it was going to be a googly.
Jab Tak Hai Jaan mein also you were quite lucky. In fact, like this is the second time.
Oh, sir, आप तो पूरी रिसर्च करके आए हैं.
किसने बोला मैं लकी हूँ? वो लकी है.
Sir, do you agree?
Yeah, I agree that.
Great.
बस फिर बात खत्म.
Okay.
कटरीना,
There, on your
हेलो
left.
आनंद सर, मैं आपसे सवाल करना चाहती हूँ. सर, फिल्म में शाहरुख खान एक बॉनी का रोल कर रहे हैं और अनुष्का शर्मा एक विकलांग गर्ल की. आप रियल लाइफ में ऐसे रियलाइज की क्या स्टोरी फिर बनाने का मन बनाया?
Ma'am, could you repeat your question?
फिल्म में शाहरुख खान एक बॉनी का रोल कर रहे हैं और अनुष्का शर्मा एक विकलांग गर्ल कर. तो वही मैं पूछना चाहती हूँ, आप रियल लाइफ में ऐसे स्टोरी रियलाइज किए क्या कि मन बनाया ऐसे फिल्म बनाने के लिए?
सर, ये रियल लाइफ में स्टोरी जो है कहीं से इंस्पिरेशन मिली है. Am I right? That
रियल लाइफ से
कि ये जो कैरेक्टर्स हैं, are they inspired by?
जी जी. रियल लाइफ हम सब की है. मतलब अगर आप मेरे से बोल रहे हैं इंस्पायर, तो कोई भी फिल्म बिना इंस्पायर हुए तो बनती नहीं है. बट हाँ, मतलब बिल्कुल यही किरदार मैंने देखे हैं. नहीं, ये किरदार नहीं देखे हैं. ये कहानी उसी चीज़ के बारे में कि हम सब में कोई ना कोई एक फ्लॉ, एक तरह की कमी होती है, और हम उसके साथ जीते हैं. और मेरा सिर्फ इस पूरी कहानी में जो जिसको कहते हैं कि एक एज अ डायरेक्टर आपका टेक अवे वो यही है कि जिंदगी फिर भी बहुत खुशी के साथ जी जा सकती है, चाहे आप में कोई कमी क्यों ना हो. यू नो, तो ये इंस्पिरेशन वही है कि लेट्स सेलिब्रेट आवर इनकम्प्लीटनेस. अपने फ्लॉज से प्यार करते हैं. जो चीज़ हमारे हिस्से में आई है उसके साथ जी के कैसे खुश रह सकते हैं, ये फिल्म उसके बारे में.
कटरीना,
कहाँ से सवाल आ रहा है ये?
कटरीना, आपको 15 इयर्स पूरे हो गए इंडस्ट्री में, 15 साल पूरे हो गए.
Katrina, on your left,
Yeah,
behind the
yeah,
barricade.
अच्छा जी आप हैं. आपके फेस के सामने फोन है.
हाँ, 15 साल पूरे हो गए आपको, 15 इयर्स कंप्लीट हो गए. इन 15 सालों में आपने सक्सेस भी देखा और फेलियर भी देखा है. और आज हम देख रहे हैं कि एक हीरोइन का एक गाना लॉन्च हो रहा है, पूरा थिएटर बुक किया गया है, जबकि एक फिल्म शाहरुख खान बड़े स्टार है, मतलब पूरी फिल्म की कास्ट होती है यहाँ पर. तो इस सक्सेस और फेलियर को और 15 सालों को किस तरीके से देखती हैं, और आने वाले समय में आप अपने आप को कहाँ पे देखती हैं?
I feel if I sum it up in a short phrase, I feel very, very fortunate. I feel that I've experienced and I've seen so many beautiful things in the last few years. I'm gonna say few instead of with the number you said. I think I've seen, like you said, ups, downs, what I thought would be the worst of times. I've seen the highest of times. And I would just feel really, really fortunate for everything I've gone through. I feel fortunate today to be able to be working in a film like this, to be part of a film with the kind of talent that we have, from Anand sir to Shah Rukh to Anushka, all of us together again. And as long as I can be, and I'm getting the opportunities to be showcasing and learning and taking my art forward with the best people that we have today in the industry, part of the best films, working with the best directors, then I'm very grateful. And as long as I feel that I'm learning something, even if it's just a little bit every day, as long as I feel I'm adding and improving in my craft and trying to improve, then, and giving my audience something new, something slightly new, then I feel quite happy.
Hi Katrina,
One
you're
second.
right. Hi.
आवाज थोड़ी कम हो गई. Guys, can you help me there? पीछे जो ऊपर बैठे हुए हैं.
Hi Katrina, you're right. Hello. Rahul here from the Filmy Charcha. मेरा सवाल आपसे ये है, सबसे पहले तो हुस्न परचम के लिए बहुत बहुत बधाई. आप ये बात में सच्चाई भी है कि पहले शीला की जवानी, फिर चिकनी चमेली और आज हुस्न परचम. हकीकत में आपका ही परचम हर जगह लहरा रहा है. मेरा सवाल ये था कि आप भी जानते हैं कि एक बड़ी हस्ती बनने के बाद आपके बारे में अच्छी खबरें भी आती है, नेगेटिव खबरें भी आती है. उसी अच्छी खबरों के बीच में आपके रिलेशनशिप के बारे में भी खबर आती है. तो जब ये खबर आप तक पहुंचती है तो ये खबर देख के या पढ़ के आप खुश होते हो या बहुत खुश होते हो?
I got confused.
ये सवाल है या रिडल्ड है? मुझे लगता है ये रिडल्ड है ना, जो आपको सॉल्व करना है, एक पजल जो आपको सॉल्व करना है.
Feel free. If you don't want to answer it, we can move on.
नहीं,
But you want to understand what the riddle
नहीं,
is?
मैंने समझा नहीं exactly क्या सवाल है.
How do you react, or how, is that your question? How do you react to the good stuff and to the bad stuff equally? How do you react?
बड़ी स्टार बनने के बाद सब टाइप की खबरें आती है, अच्छी भी आती है, नेगेटिव भी आती है.
आपने कौन सी छापी?
तो नहीं, मैं तो पॉजिटिव लिखता हूँ. तो
वाह!
उसी अच्छी खबरों के बीच में एक रिलेशनशिप को लेके भी खबर आती है कभी-कभी. तो आप देख के आपका रिएक्शन क्या होता है, ये मैं जानना चाहता हूँ.
You know, I honestly think I've said this before. I really feel हम बहुत ज़्यादा fortunate हैं to be in this industry and as actors that what you call the slight discomfort you do feel when someone writes something about you which you feel maybe is a little personal or something you don't agree with. I think it's a very, very small price to pay for the chance to be doing what we really, really love. I think it's one of the most wonderful things in life when you get the opportunity and the chance to be doing the work that you love. So if this is a small point which goes along the opportunity and the chance I get every day to go to work and do the job and make movies, which is what I love doing, then I pay it quite happily. I'm quite happy to pay it.
Katrina,
All
I
right.
have two questions.
Last question.
Yeah.
Last question, ma'am, coming from Kash.
Katrina, just
आपको एक मौका
here
मिला.
from PTI. Katrina, towards your left.
One question.
There.
Yeah.
My question is to Ajay Atul sir. कसं वाटलं शाहरुख खान सर सोबत काम करताना? And secondly, you're working with Anand L. Rai sir. How was it? How was your experience? Such a big opportunity for you.
Anand sir is actually one of the few directors in the industry whose every film of his I have seen. I've not missed one of his films. And right from Ranjana, we had a mutual friend. And I said, you know, I really want to meet Anand sir. I love the way that these women characters are in his film. Whether you see Ranjana, whether you see all of his films, Tanu Eds Manu, the one common thread which is there is that his women characters are very strong. They're not one-dimensional. They're not just there for to add a glamour factor to the film. They always have a very unique and a complex character. And I always wanted to work with Anand sir. In fact, on this particular journey, we've been in touch for almost about more than a year and a half, I think, 2 years, on this film. The film went through a lot of changes. And finally, in the end, I'm really, really glad that Anand sir stuck by, like he was right there with me. He pushed me he pushed me there to take a step to do the film. And then on the whole journey, he really was there alongside me. He was there with me on every beat. And it was a tough journey. It was not an easy journey. It was a tough role and a tough character for me to play. And now at the end of this journey, I think I'm really, really grateful and really happy that Anand sir pushed me to do it and was there with me every step of the way.
Katrina? Ajay sir, Atul sir.
Ajay sir, Atul sir. This is the last question, ladies and gentlemen.
Katrina.
Thank you.
Experience बद्दल सांगा. How was it?
क्या repeat करना पर.
How was it working for Shah Rukh Khan sir and such a big banner film? About your experience.
मैं एक बात ज़रूर यहाँ पे बहुत दिनों से हम लोग जब से आनंद सर को मिले तब से ये कभी कहने का मौका नहीं मिला. बट वो डायरेक्टर के तौर पे तो वो बहुत ही कमाल है, बहुत ही उनका काम बहुत ही उम्दा है। बट मैं तहे दिल से एक बात बोलना चाहता हूँ कि एज ए ह्यूमन बीइंग मैंने ऐसा इंसान नहीं देखा है हमारी पूरी करियर में, हमारी पूरी लाइफ में।
कटरीना,
जिस तरह से आनंद सर हमारे साथ खड़े हुए हैं, जिस तरह से उन्होंने हमें हर जगह पे हमें पहुंचाया है, हमें खड़ा किया है अपने साथ में। हमने बहुत काम किया है, बहुत लोगों के साथ काम किया है, बट इतनी इज्जत अपने टेक्नीशियन को और अपने आर्टिस्ट को खाली आनंद सर ही दे सकते हैं। और शाह सर की बात करें तो इतना ब्रिलियंट आदमी मैंने नहीं दिखा है मेरी लाइफ में। ही इज सच अ ब्रिलियंट, मतलब हम लोग भी सोचते थे, हमारा करियर लगभग सेम शुरू हुआ था, हम लोग स्ट्रगल कर रहे थे, इंडस्ट्री में आ रहे थे, तभी एक नाम आया था शाहरुख खान। वो जब फौजी हमने देखा था उनका सीरियल, वो तभी हम दोनों भाइयों में बात की थी, यार ये जो बंदा है ये स्टार है, ये बंदे में कुछ तो बात है। और तब से हम लोग का जैसे हर एक का एक सपना होगा, तो ऐसे हमारा भी एक सपना था कि कभी उनके लिए काम करेंगे। बट उनको मिलने के बाद पता चला कि ये आदमी यहां तक पहुंचा है, वो ऐसे ही नहीं पहुंचा है। ही इज सच अ ब्रिलियंट, मतलब वो शाहरुख खान अगर यहां पे नहीं पहुंचते तो कमाल की बात होती। इतना दिमाग और हर चीज में उनका इन्वॉल्वमेंट इतना अच्छा है और बहुत ही अच्छा उनका कंट्रीब्यूशन है। तो ये हमारे लिए ये फिल्म पूरी तरह से बहुत ही सीखने लायक थी।
Katrina, last question. Last question.
Ma'am, the question was asked to Ajay sir also. One second.
Okay, sir.
Sir, if you'd like, ditto बोल दीजिए फिर. All right, we'll take one.
मैं यही समझता हूँ कि हम लोग खुश नसीब है कि हमें ये फिल्म करने का मौका मिला, और हमें ये गाने के बारे में इतना ही कह सकता हूँ कि हमें ये ब्रीफ था इम्पोर्टेंटली कि अजय अतुल चिकनी चमेली से अलावा क्या कर सकते हैं। ये हमको दिखा रहा था। So we tried not to do चिकनी चमेली again because since we had चिकनी चमेली with us, so we wanted not to do the चिकनी चमेली again. So something कुछ डिफरेंट हमने कभी ऐसा ट्राई नहीं किया था। ये हमारे लिए भी एक मौका था, और as Atul said, I copied it best. हम लोग को सीरियसली बहुत ज्यादा खुशनसीब समझते हैं।
थोड़ी शांति मैम, वो बोल रहे हैं। अब आप पूछ सकती हैं, आपका आखिरी सवाल है ये जी।
Okay. First of all, congratulations for completing 15 years in Bollywood, and you've really come a long way. Other than that, you really looked beautiful at Deepika Ranveer's reception, and you have started following each other on Instagram as well. Do we see a new friendship blossoming amongst you and Deepika?
You know, a lot of people have asked this question, but if I can just answer it simply the best way that I feel. I was invited to the wedding, and I'm a person, I think, who reacts mostly quite instinctively and emotionally, and I felt it in my heart to go, and we went, and we had a wonderful time. We danced to the wee hours of the morning, and I think I ate half the chocolate, so I might not be invited to any of their functions again. But we had a really wonderful time. There was a lot of warmth between everyone, and it was really beautiful, and we all had a really nice time, and I was very happy to be there.
Thank you.
You give her 10 out of 10?
Hello,
Yeah.
last
All right, thank you. Ma'am, sorry.
last question बनता
Ma'am,
है।
sorry? I'm sorry,
You know,
I heard you look damn sexy then?
I got it.
Okay,
That
you
one
got
I
it.
got. You know, I really think that the meaning of feeling good about yourself is being confident. I don't think it matters, you know, what kind of hair, makeup, clothes. You can have the best clothes in the world, but that feeling of feeling confident and feeling like a strong and confident woman, that has to come from inside you. And when you're happy and when you're at peace with yourself and you are giving love to people around you, then that's when you feel the best about yourself.
Okay, बस भाई last करके 5 मैंने पूछ दिया. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. But of course, हमने सिर्फ एक बार ही गाना दिखाया है. I think दोबारा